Picked up Jacob as a straggler co-pilot for tomorrow. He got his own hotel room, and there's a second bed in there, and I'm not gonna use it. I'm back here, blowing up the old air mattress. I went in there to take a shower and use the Wi-Fi to upload the video that I posted before this that you'll see to what is me now tomorrow morning. I'm posting every morning. So this is the beginning of the third video. We're all up, ready to go, waiting for Doug and crew to come out. Picked up Jake, my co-pilot today. How's your hotel room last night?
It was really comfortable.
Yeah? Yeah, I like my air mattress. Wally may or may not have a big old dong on the windshield now. I don't know how that got there. Wanna ride with me? You gotta work. Isn't that right?
Damn right.
Do some work. Dude. I'm a big fan of the way that stuff smells.
Yeah, it smells delicious actually.
Who are we waiting on?
I don't know.
Everybody?
It's one of those things you just look around and you don't know who you're waiting on, so then you just gotta make a executive decision.
Doug's GoPro's fancier than mine.
Yeah, way nicer.
Yeah, you got all this stuff. I'm just peasant straight out of the box.
Hit the road. I think we're gonna leave Garrett, Ruby, and all of them behind for the time being because they're waiting on some parts to be delivered here. So we gotta get this thing down, switched over. And,
Well, you heard it from the man. Motion Race Force Official, it's Doug's channel. All these guys, their stuff will be on there. Everybody's waiting on James. You don't need to be able to see clean his windshield, like you don't gotta do that. You don't have to see, it's not important. You got a big turbo in the way anyway. So yeah, we're gonna hit the road, fill up, and then really hit the road. Did you run out of tape yesterday?
those Coronas.
Some scientific tape application?
Yes.
Just as scientific as that welding wire on my O2 bunk.
We do what we gotta do, right?
Yeah, it's still in there. It's still working.
Then it's the fix.
YOLO. I think this will work. Hey Brent, I got some. It's a little smushed, but
That'll work fantastic.
It's even black.
It's even black.
You can never go back now.
You can go back now.
So you're like trying to make a wedge so it doesn't spin on the bar.
It's some duct tape stuff in there too.
That's some high-tech repairs. Oh, you fancy.
Yeah.
Using the squeegee and everything.
Yes.
Do you have Rain-X? Might help it not stick.
Yeah, I do. But somebody done goofed yesterday, and I'm pretty sure they use a woolly rag to try to clean my windows, so I can't see at all.
Are we almost ready again?
I hope.
Are we ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Squished roll of duct tape to the rescue. Let's go. That picture you took, freaking awesome.
You saw it?
Yeah, I saw him up there. I'm like, I'm gonna roll over here to kind of like stagger in the background.
Right in the middle.
Yeah. I'm about to go pee. I'm just waiting my turn.
Hey, it's like doing a potty dance.
Yeah,
over here. It's like,
gotta
we
pee.
go.
God. Somebody lost the belt, so we had to pull over and let them put that back on, which was great because I had to pee. Everybody had to pee. Bro, you're the laptop holder. You're fired.
Well, that sucks. It's gorgeous.
You like it?
I like it a lot.
Good. 1320 van behind us, getting some awesome rollers and stuff like that. Can't complain at all. They're still waiting for Garrett. Stuff to fill up, and this place actually has the 85, so I'm going to use that and fill up my gas cans too. And I gotta pee.
Slot for the bathroom. All right.
Yeah.
Hey, lady. How's it going?
So Woody's pooping.
Yeah, Woody was really excited for the past 30 minutes to stop to poop, and he specifically got out and ran so he would beat all of us in here.
He was still fourth in line. That's hilarious. He wasn't quick enough on his toes.
Well, that's just great. I think we should just go pee outside if we all do it.
Can't give us all a decent exposure.
No.
It's only a school. The next parking lot over.
Oh.
Something to play with and keep you awake in the car.
Everybody got food, ready to get back on the road. little too hot. James couldn't stop in time, but we turned, and now we're waiting for him to turn around, I'm pretty sure. There he is. I got turned around. Must have to go pretty far. What happened?
It got a little hot.
Oh.
May have. I may
It blasted water all over the
I
place.
say that. He said that's the only one. I guarantee you, he'd be the first one to know if it started leaking.
Donating some water.
Might be a little bush light residue in there.
Oh, well, it'll make it run better. Still like 2.5 hours out. Yeah, it's almost 1. They just had a small drip on the radiator cap neck or something until it got low enough that the electric water pump cavitated, which made it overheat. So now they're like jumping the electric water pump to get it to run while they add cooler water from Doug's beer cooler. We should be back on the road in a couple minutes here. Go. We good to go?
Good to go.
All right.
Mine or
Doug's
pump?
cooler saved the day.
Let's do this.
Made it to the checkpoint, which is this thing. I don't know what it is, but I got to take a picture with it. I don't think we're gonna hang around here too long because we're behind schedule. We just stopped to get some more gas. Doug did. I'm gonna put the 10 gallons of E85 I got in Kansas in here because this station doesn't have it, and we're only like maybe not even 70 miles from Oklahoma City right now. So this will get me the rest of the way there for sure. And I know where all the E85 is there because I lived there for like 9 months. So that's the plan. That AC seat, boy.
I'm loving it.
I just turned it on. Can you feel it? We've been rolling with the windows down almost the whole time just because it's been nice out and, you know, it's nice to like take it in, see the breeze, but it's starting to get warmer. I'm like, I totally forgot that I don't have to do this. If I'm slightly uncomfortable, we just close the windows and, you know, we've been going like 80, 85. We kind of ditch those other guys because they got to go slower and we want to get there. But so we've been rolling, and this thing does like 92 miles an hour. It's at like 2,900 RPM. It's insane. And we're on like short tires too. We just stopped at old RS in Edmond to get some E100 just to have on reserve in case we get into a scenario like yesterday where the percentage is a little lower than I'd like. Throw that in there and bump it up real quick. Take your garbage and get out of my life. Yeah, okay, just get it all tangled up. Oh, you ever use a cable before, bro? Like, not a whole lot going on here. Typical Cletus mob, scooter gang.
Yeah, we can't hang with that yet. You know, there's levels to this.
Did I sign a waiver? I don't remember.
All prepped, ready to go, in the lanes. Gonna make the first run of the day. I'm tired of running 10s. I'm still playing it safe, but I'm tired of running 10s.
He's gonna line me up with Alex. I didn't even ask him to. He just told me, I'm lining you up with Alex. Her car's way faster than mine. Hopefully she'll f with me and let me take the hit and then run me down. She's gonna freaking suck my doors out and then laugh about it. To her. I freaking sure hope that was another 10. I'm gonna be so annoyed. I'm going, sir. Thank you. Freaking damn it. 10-20. I'm not taking that. I played this game too long. I'm not doing that.
I'm not taking a 10-20 at 137. It's freaking garbage. This time I'm not gonna race off the light. I'm gonna do my own thing, launch into my own sequence, and 60 foot correctly, so I'll get that 9. I thought she was actually gonna leave on the light, but she didn't. But I'm freaking sick of seeing 10s on my time slip. Screw that. I need to run a 9 or I'm gonna blow up.
Mitchell, are we lining them up?
Oh yeah, we're gonna line them up
on the next run. I think we should.
Yeah. What's it been running?
Well, I lifted at the 1,000 foot and ran a 10.7.
Whenever you're ready.
I'm not watching it. I'm focused on my own lights.
Okay. Oh, roasted.
I'm not worried about you.
Battle of the Mitchells.
Yeah.
It's on video.
It is.
That's the title. Mitchell versus Mitchell.
Lambo versus
Doctor versus Mister. No Reliable's back. What are you doing with it?
Stopping my oil leak.
Oh. I trust it. That's been a good roll.
It owes you nothing.
It's been in that bin for 4 years. Did you fix the leak?
I think so.
That works for me.
We're gonna test the duct tape theory on this next pass.
Fingers crossed. I have faith.
It's your tape. So if you have faith, I have faith.
Awesome. We're gonna race the Lamborghini for fun. I'm still gonna do my thing. He's just gonna be over there because getting that number is more important to me than that. But
We're YouTubing at the same time.
oh my God, we are.
Send it out there.
All right.
Go for it.
That was good. That was good. I have not felt my eyeballs feel like that since February. If that wasn't a 9, I need to get my butt recalibrated. Come on, come on.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Yes. 993. We did it. I'm done. Did it.
And the W. Good run out there.
Dude, I got him by a full second, but 4 miles an hour. I just left with a little bit of sauce that time where I wasn't leaving with any before, and it did exactly what I wanted it to do.
Thanks for the ride, Kyle.
You're welcome. Freaking Lambo killer. Oh, turbo Lambo killer.
Is that like an aftermarket turbo kit on that thing or something?
It's a Hefner kit.
Oh, really?
It's like 800. I think it's like 700 the wheels or something like that, 750.
Oh, that's cool. That's gonna make a good title.
It is.
Yes. Internet is about to be angry.
Pretty epic. Pretty fucking epic.
C2. That'll wrap it up for this video. I'm actually sitting in Doug Cook's hotel room. He's not here yet. I left the track early to come here and use the Wi-Fi and take a shower and edit this video before I go back up. Oh, there she just got here.
Great timing. I was filming my outro.
Oh, God. Perfect. Smells so fresh in here.
That was not planned.